was hard before Clark College.
My life before ESL was just a lot of fear and uncertainty.
Everything that you have been doing in your country, you have to change because their culture is different.
My first day in ESL class at Clark College was filled with excitement and nervousness.
First days that I think this is so scary, and I don't know if I could do it.
When I first been here to Clark College, I have no idea what to do and where to go. And then they tell me that first thing I have to took the ESL class.
And the key to begin your new job or your specialty, you must have the language.
Learning math again and learning like the English sentences.
Just don't be afraid that your English is bad, because my English speaking is not so well, but they make me feel like it's okay, you'll be fine.
They wanted me to be included in that conversation. They didn't want me to feel left out.
I also remember how welcoming my instructor was, and that helps a lot.
Every staff in here, every instructor in here, every advisor in here, they are very nice for you. And they always willing to help you in every situation that they could.
I try, and that's what it matters, to try.
ESL helped me to more confident when I'm speaking with another people.
How many opportunities is like here? Like how many, like have daycare, I have financial aid, I have food pantry, I have council support. I have all these opportunities and all these resources to focus on myself, focus on my studies, and then I succeed.
When I saw that Clark College offered the course Medical Terminology for ESL students, I was very, very excited. And with $25 per quarter, and you can sign up for as many classes that you wanted.
$25, it's not much. You are gonna be able to communicate with others. You're gonna be able to probably find what you like, and it's gonna make you succeed.
For me, the medical terminology, I begin because I want to begin a new career. To study something in relation with the healthcare, I see why not. I like it. It's my dream when I was a child to study that.
Clark College nursing students were clinically stronger than other comparative programs. So I graduated from the nursing program and I advanced my education, get my 4-year degree in nursing.
I will be a good nurse, and I will master in whatever I want, because I now think of myself that I'm ready.
My first job in the US was in the dairy department at Safeway, and every time the pharmacist walking by, our coworker always say, "Oh, Triam, that can be you one day." And now my daughter has said that she wanted to become a pharmacist just like me.
I'm gonna take the pharmacy technician degree, certificate. For me, I feel happy because everyone willing to help me.
20 years ago, when I was just a teenager, my family moved to the United States from Sochi, Russia, almost immediately after I went to Clark College to learn English, and here we are today. Clark College's ESL program was my first step not only in the educational career, but also my lifetime journey. What are your dreams? Come to Clark College. We'll help you make them a reality.